Hello and good morning to you. This is Roberto from Binary Options Pro TradeSignals.com. Going to show you another live trade here. Got a trade in motion here right now, and here it is. The Euro Yen joined at 135.104, sold a put in there. Currently market's at 135.039. So got about six pips profit in this. It's moved down nicely. Now and we still got 10 minutes left in this trade. So hopefully it hangs in there, but let's go have a look at it. So here's the Euro Yen chart. Here's the trader's dashboard with 8 currency pairs in there. So we joined, entered up here with a put, and it moved down nicely. And why did we do that? Because there's severe resistance up here. It had moved up quite a bit. Was outside the Bollinger Band there. 1, 2, 3, 4 times went inside here with the red bar inside, and down it went. Also, frequently what happens is another currency pair will lead the way. Euro US dollar tends to lead the way for the Euro Yen. What I mean by that is this. As you can see, the Euro moved down here, and so did the Euro Yen. So when that happens, typically Euro Yen moves down too. Now, there's also some other relationships here. You'll see British Pound Yen, US Dollar Yen, Australian Dollar Yen. They all seem to be showing some weaknesses, especially British Pound Yen has moved down quite a bit, similar to the Euro Yen. US Dollar Japanese Yen, not quite as weak, and the Australian Dollar Japanese Yen showed a little movement there. Tends to be in a little bit of weakness here. Euro Yen, British Pound Yen tend to be almost in sync. Euro Yen is the one we care about the most right now because that's the trade we're in. So here is that trade. Let's have another look at it. We have 9 minutes left. We entered the put at 135.104. It's currently at 135.009. So we have about 7 pips profit. It's kind of moving around here a bit. About 6 pips. It's popped up there quite a bit. So a little concerned, but we just have to have patience and wait it out. Right now we have about 8 minutes and 30 seconds. We typically put about 15 minutes time on these. So 15 minutes to expiry. Let's have another look at this. Let's talk about that put. So when you buy a put, it means you're going short. It means you expect this market to move down, the Euro Yen. So there's time value in here. You have had about 15 minutes on this, and there's some money value. So you invest 197 and expect to get out of this 358.54 in the money. That means anywhere below that line, and we take that profit above that line, and they take $197. Got 7 minutes and 35 seconds. This has moved up a little bit. Let's have a look at the chart, see what we should expect from that. Here's the Euro Yen. Let's have a look at this chart. So it moved down, and now it's popping back up and moving around here a bit. Stochastics, which often kind of track that move as it goes up. So it looks like we're okay here. So about 7 minutes left on this put, and as long as it doesn't move up too strongly, we should be okay. Should be done moving up here and hopefully track back down. Let's move that binary options trade in here again. Currently, well, we sold at 135.104, currently at 135.058. So we're about 4 pips in the profit. Got 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh, it's showing some more strength there, 135.07, 7.5, 9, yikes, 6. So we've got about 4 pips profit. There's kind of popping around here. And those are the kind of things you just gotta learn and have patience with them. See there, we're getting a little bit of a shooting star there. It is showing a little bit of strength, but hopefully it holds on for us here. We've got about 6 minutes left in this thing. So let's just have a look again at some of the charts. We are looking at Trader's Dashboard here. So nice, it's moving down again there, right there. It's gone down again, so that's nice. Give us a margin of safety there. Let's bring back that 2-4 option back and open up that. We sold we bought a put, which means we are going short at 135.104, currently at 135.013. So we have about 10 pips profit in there. And it's moving around, and we have 5 minutes left. So here's the chart again, and let's have a look at some other charts. Usually what we do is leave that one alone and go look and see what else might be available. The Australian dollar, Japanese yen looks interesting. It might be ready to make a move down. It's not quite ready yet. Doesn't, not high enough there, and stochastics overbought just yet. Euro US dollar has been moving down strongly in harmony and sync with the euro yen. British pound Japanese yen has moved up, actually corrected back up quite strongly. It's a little bit out of sync there with the euro yen. Euro yen is showing a little bit of strength there and a little bit of ability maybe to bounce there. British pound yen is backed off a little bit. Move this trade back in here from 2-4 options. I have 3 minutes and 45 seconds. It's kind of moving up there again. 135.104 is what we entered at, currently at 135.04. So about 6 pips. Hopefully it doesn't move up too strongly there. Got 3 minutes and 27 seconds left. And here we are on the chart, so it's kind of showing a bit of congestion here. US dollar, Japanese yen moving up. That looks interesting. That might be ready for a short trade. Not quite ready yet, but euro yen has moved down a little bit again. Got about 3 minutes left, a little under 3 minutes. So we'll cross our fingers. Hope that trade hangs on for profit. You can probably hear me yawning here. If I'm yawning, I'm tired. It's because I am. I've been up since 5 o'clock this morning, Mountain Standard Time. So I've been at this 5 hours now. And hosted a mentoring session, a trading session, a webinar where trade with a webinar live streaming data for people that you could join too and get these trades coming to you live. It's better to be able to get trades coming to you live like this rather than just have them emailed to you. Because what happens here, the purpose is not just to give you trades and let you trade. The purpose is to train you. Train you by watching these trades and because we're much more than just giving you trades. It's all about a trading methodology and showing you an overall method. And as you can see from the trades posted on my blog, we frequently get some good trades in that window from 5 a.m. to about 10 a.m. We're almost at the window here now where it's time to shut it down for the day. This is probably going to be, it's already taken a little water break there. This is probably going to be the last trade of the day. Hopefully it holds here. We've got about a minute left, so I should be in countdown zone here soon. What I mean by that is we kind of get excited and treat the profit of this trade like a launch of a spaceship or a rocket in outer space. Once we hit the 1 minute mark, and we're going to bring that back to 4 option screen back in here. And there we are. We entered purchase to put at 135.104, so obviously we want it to close below that zone. And we're currently at 135.34, so we've got about 7 pips profit. Nice comfortable zone, but with in any currency pair trading with the yen, they tend to move fairly fast, but we've got 23 seconds left. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Profit. Calculating expiry. Invested 197, got back out 358.54. So that's about $160. Nice trade. All right, that's the way we trade at Binary Options Pro Trade Signals.com. So it's starting to get it's 10:05 Mountain Standard Time. So typically markets kind of slow down a bit here because that's just about noon Eastern Standard Time. We're just going to take a look at a few things to show you we trade more than just Forex. So let's take a look at, there's IBM. IBM looks interesting. That looks like a correction down. S&P 500, that also looks like a move down. NASDAQ, that also is looking kind of weak. IBM currently trading at 157.695. So it's been in a trading range up here, so hitting a lot of resistance right in here. Looks like ready for a correction down. Well, that's it for the day, folks. Thanks for joining us here at Binary Options Pro TradeSignals.com. Hope you'll come and join us in our trade session, or alternatively just ask us if we'd like to take your account and trade it in our managed accounts.